6 secrets to speed up your WordPress website. WordPress is the most popular content management system, CMS, in the world. In fact, a third of all websites in the world run on WordPress. However, not many people know how to optimize their WordPress sites to make it load faster. If this sounds like you, then don't worry. In this presentation, you're going to learn the top 6 secrets to speed up your WordPress website. Number 1. Update WordPress and your plugins regularly. WordPress gets frequently updated thanks to its global community of developers who work together to fix bugs, add new features, and so much more. When you don't update your version of WordPress and your plugins, then you're leaving your site vulnerable to possible attacks. Over time, you'll notice your site will start performing sluggishly too. Number 2. Choose a good host. Good hosting is a necessary investment for your website's success. The cheapest hosting plan is good for absolute beginners who don't expect tons of people visiting their site. However, once your site gains traction and more people visit it, then you need to upgrade your hosting as well. Number 3. Use a well-coded theme. There are plenty of great-looking WordPress themes. However, as you probably already know, not all themes are created equal. Some theme developers add plenty of features to their themes without realizing it's become slow and bloated. Number 4. Optimize your images. If you're uploading large images to your site, then you're contributing to your site's slower loading times. There's really no point in uploading a 5 megabyte file if a 500 kilobyte version looks exactly the same. There are plenty of image optimizing tools out there that reduce image file sizes drastically without any visible differences between the unoptimized and optimized images. Number 5. Use a content delivery network. Content delivery networks help greatly with improving your page loading times. Your website files will be delivered from a server location closest to where your website visitor is located. This means less time is needed to load your site's files, which translates to faster loading times for your site. Number 6. Delete unnecessary plugins. There are thousands of awesome plugins for WordPress. It's one of the reasons why the platform is so popular. You can change its looks, functionality, and so much more just by installing a plugin or two. The problem is people sometimes get carried away and just install plugin after plugin. Sometimes plugins will conflict with each other, which leads to slower loading times for your website.